It's been a little bit of work, but we finally come to the end of the Western Auto True Tone guitar saga. I've pretty much finished. Got a little touch up. Going to put some wax on it. I've buffed it out one more time. It probably looks shinier in previous videos, but I'm gonna leave it set for a couple weeks. Neck work all came out good. It's a little bit buzzy sounding right now. I had set everything up really tight, you know, trying to be optimistic about my fret work and all that. And I didn't have any buzzing at all. And after playing a little bit, I decided to go half step flat just to see what it sounded like. It sounded a little tinier than I expected with the big body and everything. So it did pick up a little bit of buzz, you know, tune down half the stuff. But I'm gonna leave it hang on the wall in the music room for you know, a couple weeks and come back and go make a circle through the setup again one more time. But yeah, this is pretty much the deal. Deer antler saddle. Made my own truss rod cover there. It's a little bit crooked. Pick guard. Made the pick guard myself. Used a Les Paul bracket and screwed it up here. I thought I was going to pin it in the back, but I didn't. It's not rattling, not making any noises or anything. Stained the bridge. Kind of period correct knobs, I guess, from what I could tell. Originally this guitar we had a white pick guard and white knobs, but you know, with the humbucker, I just didn't think that looked so hot, and it's not going to be original anyway. What else was I going to say? Oh yeah, still got problem with the electrics. Pickup, the output is like real low. If I crank it up and crank the amp, it's kind of staticky sounding in an unpleasant way. It's not good distortion. So I got a pair of P90s that if it turns out it's the pickup, you know, I may use both of these. They come as a pair, or you know, maybe it's just something about how well wired my pots up there. Maybe I got something wrong in that area. But anyway, it's finished. It's been a real learning experience. Sorry I didn't put any tips on the videos I've been putting up, but you know, I was learning, so I didn't feel qualified to be explaining to somebody else how to do something when I'm trying to figure it out myself. But anyway, I'm happy with the finished product. And I'll play a little bit just to so you can hear what this old classic inexpensive guitar sounds like. Not sure if I'm even in frame here. something like that would be better. A little bit rusty on my picking. Haven't been playing much lately. Definitely a little rusty. So it don't sound too bad. Got kind of a nice tone in the first position. So there it is. Thank y'all for watching. Anybody that happens to run across this in the future. And if you got an old guitar laying around, you could do this too. If you just got a few little basic hand tools and the patience. There's a lot of hours went into this. But it was worth it. So again, thank y'all for watching. If I end up changing the pickups or doing anything significant to it, I might post up another video, but this will probably be the last one. So again, thanks and good luck, and don't give up on your project.